Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the Algebra 1 concept of linear inequalities and the distributive property. This is standard A.5B in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 33 off the 2016 released STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we need to find the inequality that describes all the solutions to this right here. We do have to use the distributive property there. So let's use our saying, don't call me after midnight. This helps keeps the steps in order. So first, before we do anything, because we are looking to isolate that variable of x, we need to distribute. That means we're going to need to take that 5, multiply it by the 3, multiply it by the negative x. So I'm going to rewrite it here so we can see what's happening one step at a time. Definitely don't ever want to try to combine steps. Some mistakes are made. So it's going to be 5 times 3 minus 5x minus 2x plus 6. And we need to simplify. That's 15. All right, and that's it. That's all the simplification we need to do. Now, if we see we have any like terms on the same side of the inequality, we need to combine. Like if we had a plus 9 over here, we would need to combine the 6 and the 9. Or if we had a plus 9x, we'd need to combine the negative 2x and the 9x. But we don't have any like terms on either side, on the same side of the inequality. So we'll just skip that step. We're going to move. We need to move the x's together, and we want them to stay positive. So what I want to do is I want to take this bigger negative right here. And if it's minus 5x, I want to add 5x to both sides. Because I've got a minus 5x plus 5x. That's going to cancel itself out. That's going to get me 5x minus 2x, or negative 2x plus 5x. That's 3x. I've still got my plus 6, and I've still got my 15 on this side. So my x's are all together. So now it's time to start isolating that x. First I'm going to add or subtract. I've got this plus 6 right here. So let's subtract 6. If we subtract 6 from both sides, that's going to get rid of that. And it looks like I'm going to get 3x. And then 15 minus 6 is 9. The final step is to multiply or divide to isolate that variable. And so it's a 3 times x. I'm going to use my inverse operation. So it looks like it's going to be x and then 3. But really, you notice how A, B, C, or D all have the x on the left. We need to flip it. And when we flip it, we make sure the opening is still going towards that x. So it's going to end up being x is greater than 3. Now, not greater than or equal to. So any number greater than 3 should make this work. So let's double check. Let's just put 5 in there. Let's just say x equals 5. We should get a true statement. I'm going to rewrite this up here. So 5, 3 minus, and then that x is 5, less than negative 2 times 5 plus 6. So I've got 5 times negative 2 is less than, I've got negative 10. That's what negative 2 out of 5 is, and then plus 6. So I got negative 10 is less than, then I've got negative 4. And that is a true statement. That's what we're looking for. Now, if we wanted to really double check this, let's do, we have to make x is greater than 3. Let's make x less than 3. Let's make x 0. 0 is good because when you multiply by 0, things go away. So let's do 5, 3 minus 0 is less than negative 2. See, there's that 0. Plus 6. So I've got 5 times 3 is less than, that goes away, 6. 15 is less than 6. See? Doesn't work. So this is an incorrect statement, which makes a false statement. So it needs to be greater than 3. So my answer here is going to be B. X is greater than 3.